Pedal to Fitness, a journey with stationary bikes. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of fitness and exercise, specifically focusing on stationary bikes. This popular exercise equipment can be found in almost every gym and many homes around the world. Let's hop on and start learning. A stationary bike, also known as an exercise bike, is a piece of fitness equipment designed to simulate the action of cycling. Unlike a regular bicycle, it stays in one place when you pedal, hence the name, stationary. This machine has various parts: the seat, where you sit, the handlebars for grip and balance, the pedals for your feet, and often a display console showing speed, distance, time, and calories burned. There are primarily three types of stationary bikes: upright bikes, recumbent bikes, and spin bikes. Upright bikes are similar to regular bicycles, with the pedals directly below the body and handlebars in front. Recumbent bikes provide a more relaxed posture with a chair-like seat and pedals in front of the body. Spin bikes mimic the experience of outdoor cycling and are often used in high-intensity spin classes. To use a stationary bike, you first adjust the seat and handlebars to your height. Then, you sit on the seat, place your feet on the pedals, hold the handlebars, and start pedaling. The resistance can be adjusted. That's how hard it is to pedal. You can usually change this on the console. Remember to maintain a good posture while cycling. Your back should be straight, your core engaged, and your grip on the handlebars relaxed. Always make sure your legs have a slight bend in the knee at the bottom of each pedal stroke. Using a stationary bike regularly can provide many health benefits. These include improving cardiovascular fitness, strengthening your legs and lower body, and burning calories. Plus, as a low-impact exercise, it's easier on your joints than many other forms of cardio. That's our tour around the stationary bike. It's a versatile piece of exercise equipment with many health benefits. We hope this video has pedaled you closer to your English language goals, especially in the fitness vocabulary department. Keep practicing and stay fit. Next time, we'll be exploring another interesting topic in the world of health and wellness. Happy learning!